Golden State Capital, tapping in with the Meta chart. On Friday, I closed out that trade. I had swung puts. I entered on Thursday after that third rejection of that bearish fair value gap. I said I was targeting the gap fill of 606.97. We got it. I exited the trade. So that was, great risk management on my part. I felt good because I didn't get greedy. I saw profit. I took profit. And it would have been great if I had wrote that back up, but I was out of town for the weekend celebrating my grandmother's birthday and with family. So I had to stop trading at that point and didn't want to trade distracted. So big ups to anybody who was in and rode that up to that that high, because that was an amazing bounce there on Friday. So yesterday, because today's only Tuesday, yesterday, we got another big move back up to that 635 level and then a little bit of a pullback. I did not like that there was like two hammer candles in a row in an uptrend. So I had puts and the market just did not move the way I wanted to. So I ended up closing the trade. I didn't swing because I didn't have 30-day plus cons, and I'm doing my best to stick to my rules. We did get a pullback today, so they would have paid off, but I don't want to get into that habit of kind of like luck trading and get overzealous with myself and then end up blowing up my account. So was just watching again today. We did get a sweeper previous day low and a small bounce, but volume was low overall in the market, so it really wasn't that exciting overall for me. I know there's always money to be made, so congrats if you did make money to either side today. I am short-term bullish on Meta, but still bearish overall on the weekly, monthly, and quarterly time frames. So I do think we are due for a retracement, because we can go straight down, but I don't think the market makers, big money, really want to take people out like that. They're going to make it very difficult for us, and we just have to play level to level. And that's what I'll be doing. I'll be playing level to level. So what I'm hoping for here is a little pullback, tomorrow or Thursday, and then a move to the upside, creation of a bearish fair value gap, on Thursday, and then that continued move up to 678, sweep of that 50% retracement and pull back, and just keep going down, or there's just like a smaller retracement to get us back to that 705 level. So let me just pull it up real quick. This is what I see. This is what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for a move. I think we'll go here and then pull back there, take us up here, pull us back here, then ultimately go up there. Oops. And then take us all the way down to this draw of liquidity. So let me just space this out a little bit, because it'll really end up being something like that or something like that. And I don't think after we get that retracement it's going to be a straight line down, but this is generally what I want to see happen, is get us back to that 584.20 area. And we go to the 1 hour time frame, I want us to get to that 586.58. Might be a big bounce, might not be, but I do think we see sub $600. This is just my opinion, not financial advice. I'd love to hear what you think Meta is going to be doing this week, next week, and leading up to the Santa rally, because time's running out. So either we're going to blast all the way off until January, or we're going to have some larger pullback days. So let me update. I'm going to update the daily levels and then drill down to the 1 hour so we can see where I might be entering a trade. I am looking for a swing with Meta because I think when it moves and gets a little momentum here, that we could see some nice gains. So let's go down to the 1 hour chart. Sorry, let me pull up these so they can see them a little better. So on the 1 hour chart, what I'm hoping for is a pullback to 50% at least on this 1 hour range of 601.20 to 635. I would love to get for it to go back to 608. That would be amazing, because that would give me a great entry for the move back up to at minimum 635, where I do have relative equal highs. Never got a full sweep. Price just like kept bumped up there about three times. And then I ultimately think we're going to get up to these relative equal highs at 653.02. So I will be playing level to level per usual, trading one contract at a time as to not get overextended and, help me maintain my mental clarity. What I did want to show you is what contracts I'll be looking at. I always swing with 30 plus days out. A short swing could be a couple days, could be a week. And I want to show you the activity at 700. That open interest, the 15,848, that is some like significant activity. So that has my eye. I will be looking for basically like 625 or below. I like to have a delta of at least 0.54. So we'll see. It would be amazing to get something closer to the 600 zone, though these are a bit pricey. I'm looking to try and be around the 3,000 mark for this swing. So let me know in the comments below what you're thinking for Meta, bullish or bearish for tomorrow, for the week, and stay safe out there. Remember, the end of the government shutdown is looming, so market could get wild the next couple of days. All right, Golden State Capital out.